So welcome back everyone. My hairs are messy. So in this video we'll be talking about the permutation seeds problem. So what is the permutation seeds problem? So in this problem we have R seeds and N students. Okay, let me just visualize for you. Like we have five students here. Like one student is this, and um, I'm pretty bad at arts. One student is this. One student is this. I'm just taking too much of time, I think. This and this. And three seats. So how can we just make them settle in these three seats? It can be said of these three students, or these three students, or even these three students. Remember, like permutation is different from combination. We can't just pick them from random. So how are you going to do this in our program? Like what we're going to do, like the formula permutation is n factorial upon n minus r factorial in this program, and like in this problem the n is the number of students and r is the number of seats available. So three seats upon two seats. Okay, so okay, what we are going to do is that we will define a factorial function here. For factorial function, what we're going to do is we will run a loop for I in range, and the loop will run from the number itself, that is n, until 0, which means the loop will run until 1. And we're going to just do minus 1, and s equals 2. Okay, and no, we are passing n as the argument in the actual main function. So, so, but the fact that there needs to be something to store the value of factorial. Okay, we will declare a val variable, val equals to 0. Val will be val equals to val plus the actual value of val plus, and no, it's I guess it will multiply, and it will return the value of n. Sorry, I'm making too much of blunders today. Guess I'm not in the mood right now. I'm shooting this video at 3 a.m. So it's night time. So coming back to our question, what we need to do is we will just take the input from the user, and input equals to int input, enter the value of students. Okay, and our input equals to int input, enter the value of seats. So what is going to do now? And we will declare a value by summation kind of thing. Answer variable is equals to fact. Okay, we need to check if fact is working fine or not. Factorial 5, the answer should be 5. Sorry, the answer should be 120. Sorry. Enter the value students 2, 3. We're getting I guess the mistake we were making here. What's this? 3 4 3 1 2 5. Okay. We'll run this loop from 625. What it's doing, is that mm, 120. Great. So what we need to do now, we will is equals to fact of n input divided by fact of n input minus r input. So this is the answer that we need. 5 students, 3 states, 60 is the answer. Great, it's working fine. This was from this video. See you in the next one.